Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I am going to teach you how you can earn $50 in 10 minutes. So this is an awesome way of making money online, guys. It is worldwide. You can do this from your tablet, your computer, your laptop, even your mobile phone. It's also a free sign up and it requires no money to get started. Um, if you find this video helpful, you like my videos at all, make sure to hit the like button. If you haven't done so already, please make sure to subscribe as well as hit the bell icon in the corner for notifications for future videos. This is not a get rich scheme, so if you're looking for my #1 recommendation of making money online and you really want to bring in the big bucks, take a look at the first link in my description below. That is my #1 recommendation for making money online. So getting started right now, guys, we are going to go to a website called mindswarms.com. So this website is like a product research website. Now we live in a society where people love to watch videos. They want to know what they're getting themselves into before they make any purchases, which is why this website has done so well. Um, Ideally, what you're going to do is you are going to get paid to record videos of yourself giving answers to questions that big name companies need answers for. Like I said before, you can use your mobile phone like the people in the background of the screen right now. They are doing product research, so you can be a product research analyst and help these people, these big companies, get the surveys that they need. So what you're ideally going to do is you're going to take your phone and you're going to throw it in landscape mode, and you're going to, as quickly and clearly and as accurately as possible, answer these surveys and answer these questions and explain your opinions on products. So I'm sure you're wondering, how does the site work? What do I do? So when you get to Mindswarm's website, I'm just going to scroll through it so you know what the homepage looks like. It's going to look a little something like this. With your smartphone in hands, humans are developed an insatiable appetite for capturing and sharing life experiences on video for the mundane and the spectacular. So people they want to see other people's experiences, what they think of these products, these services, and you're going to be answering these questions. Now, when you sign up for the service, they are going to ask you a series of questions about yourself because they are going to be able to notify you when a survey that fits your criteria comes up. Um, so if you are a 70-year-old man, you're probably not going to be doing, lingerie or makeup tutorial or survey reviews or anything like that. If you're in your late 20s or 30s and you're a female, that's probably better off for the type of criteria that you're going to be able to answer questions for. So, guys, like I said before, it is a free sign up. So what you're going to go and do, which I have already created an account, is they're going to ask you for like your email, a password. They're going to want to know your age, your gender. They're going to want to know whereabouts you are so that they can customize the type of surveys that you're going to be taking more to what fits you and what you're going to be able to answer most honestly and accurately. So let's hop over to my account because, like I said before, I had already made one. And I had popped over to the help area because I wanted to learn just a little bit more, like how am I going to get paid? What is Mindswarms? What do I need to have for this to work? Who can sign up for it? What languages? And all of these questions are answered here. So you can get paid anywhere between $10 and $50 per study within 24 hours via PayPal. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account, I highly suggest you go and make one of those. They're also a free sign up, and it's something that you're going to need to hook up to your bank account. So there are also other places online that you can sign up for a bank account if you don't have one in your local area. A couple of my other videos have shown the banks that you can use online, so take a look at that too. It says, what do I need to participate? Studies can be completed from a laptop, desktop, your camera phone. I suggest that when you sign up for this, that you download Mindstorms through either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. I just found that it just looks better and it's easier to get through. It's also fitted for phones. So if you're doing this from your phone, I think it's the best option you can have. Um, so what languages can you do in here? They have foreign languages are expected of the participants of native speakers of that language. So um, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to apply for studies. So how do you apply for studies? It goes a little bit like this. You're going to want to fill out a short application form. They're going to ask you a few questions about your interests and things of that nature, so that way they can fit certain studies to things that interest you, your hobbies, things of that nature. Um, so you fill that out, you complete it. You can also hear about new studies. You can receive notifications in your emails, and you can set the frequency of the email notifications to your account as well if you're worried about getting spammed with new studies. So how do you apply for studies? Studies have a limited number of participants, so it's on a first come, first serve basis. When you apply for studies, you want to apply as soon as they become available to increase your chances of being a participant. What happens after I submit my application? So after you've submitted your application, it's going to show up under the applied section of your mobile apps on your screen. Like I said earlier, guys, you are going to want to download this app to your phone, your laptop, whatever you're using. Once you go back to Mindstorms after you have applied, they will review your applications and see if you are a right fit for this study. So after you have been accepted for your first study, you're going to receive an acceptance email from Mindstorms and a link to the study. It's going to display a green acceptance notification at the top of your app as well, so you really can't miss that. Right, so you have been accepted for the study. What you're going to want to do is record your responses. Now, when you're recording your responses, you're going to want to be in a well-lit, quiet area when you do record it. Make sure that your phone or whatever you're using is set to landscape mode. And once you've done that and you have recorded your study that you've been accepted to, you are going to want to send that in to them. So how am I supposed to answer the questions? Like I said earlier, you're going to want to be in a well-lit area. You're going to want to wear appropriate clothing. And I cannot stress that enough, along with not chewing gum. No one wants to hear you smacking your mouth whether you're chewing your gum or blowing bubbles. You're going to want to keep your device steady while you're recording. So there's also tripods and things of that nature if this becomes something that you are really into doing. Don't point your camera directly at a light source. So probably don't stand in front of a lamp or a window with bright light coming in. If you're going to stand in front of a window, I recommend closing your blinds and closing your curtains and having the light in front of you. You're going to want to give an in-depth response between 40 and 60 seconds. So if you like to talk, try and rehearse it a few times in the mirror with yourself there, so that you're not doing run-on sentences. No one really wants to hear that over and over and over and over. And it's really, guys, it's really that simple. It's a really quick, easy way to make money online. So like we were talking about before, how do I get paid? You are going to get paid through PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you go to the help section and they have a link right there where you can sign up through PayPal. So it's just really quick and easy. Now, if you're ever confused or you're not sure like what's going on, go over to the right hand corner, click, and you can go to the help area in case, say, your camera's not working or your sound isn't being recorded. And they have really easy ways, quick fixes on how to fix things like that. So that's it, guys. It is really easy. It is not a get-rich scheme, like I said before, but every little bit of money helps coming in. I suggest that you try and apply for as many studies as possible, but you're not going to be able to do one study one after another after another after another. The one thing that I really, really, really liked about this way of making money online is that it is worldwide. So you can be anywhere and be able to do this and make money, which is really cool. I know that a lot of you guys have been asking on my other sites, is this worldwide? Is this worldwide? Well, this one is, guys. So if you're looking for a way to do it, this is it. If you like my video, please make sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe. While you're doing that, make sure you hit the bell icon in the corner for notifications for future videos. But if you are looking for, to bring in the big bucks, definitely check out the first link in my description below. It's my #1 recommendation for making money online. Thanks a lot, guys.